Today we'll be covering the belt replacement for the corded Earthwise snow shovel. Before we get started, there's a few things that you need to do and pull together to do the belt replacement. First, review your instruction manual for the belt replacements and the proper order of the belt replacement. What you will need for your assistance is a Phillips head screwdriver, an 8mm socket, a hammer, and a length of rope. And most importantly, you will need to make sure that you have an SN70016 belt replacement belt kit. If you have all those items and you reviewed your instruction manual, let's get started on the belt replacement. First, we'll need to have the item unplugged and tipped on its side to remove all the screws for the cover plate on the snow thrower. So let's get started. Now that we've taken off the side cover and loosened up the cover plate, tip the snow shovel on its side to remove any debris left over from the broken belt. After that, then we can go ahead and start replacing with the new belt for the pulley. What you'll need for the pulley is the larger of the two belts from the kit. You'll notice that on the drive shaft, it's grooved, and on the pulley itself. The best way is to start by putting the pelt on the drive shaft itself and line up on the pulley. Hold the belt in place and turn the auger with your other hand, assisting in moving the belt onto the pulley. A couple of turns and you should have it all lined up both on the drive shaft and the pulley. Rotate a couple of times to make sure everything is lined up, and there, you've got your belt already on, and all you need to do now is reassemble your side plate and cover plate. First, we'll start by rotating the cover plate back on and loosely tightening the bolt. Now, the tension of the belt is trying to pull the drive shaft in towards the motor. What we need to do is line up the drive shaft back with the cover plate. You have your small piece of rope. Slip that behind the drive shaft and pull out. So the drive shaft is lined up with the opening in the cover plate. Take your hammer, a few light taps, and then you have it reassembled. Remove the rope and go ahead and finish tightening on your cover plate. Now, once you've got your cover plate retightened, you can go ahead and reinstall the outer cover. First, start with the screw directly in the center of the cover plate, and then go ahead and put in the remaining 7 screws. We've got our snow thrower now back together. Before we take it back outside, it's good to plug it in and give it a test to make sure that you've got it, that the belt is held securely and it's able to run properly. If after all this you still have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-633-1501 and we'll be happy to assist you with any of your questions.